as students, you know that I have completed a lot of topics from your chapter. That the chapter name is. Can you tell me the chapter name, please? Immediate response by anyone.
User defined method.
Okay, user defined method. Some very basic concepts remains. I will explain the static variable. Sorry, static keyword. So students, what are the static? Girls, you tell me the previous topics were whatever topics I have explained that are clear or not. That is there any doubt? No, sir. That means you're
No,
all
sir.
okay. Divya and Gulsita, your response, please. Mansi,
No, sir.
No, sir.
by heart you're saying na, that you're not just saying telling lies.
No, sir.
Okay, that means your concept is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so student, today I will going to start. The topic is static keyword. So what are the static keyword? Let me write the theory part first. Okay, so this word file is open right now. So you know that this static, S-T-A-T-I-C, static. So you know static is a keyword. Okay, so every word, every letter of this word will be in small. You know this thing or not? Do you know? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay. So students, static is a keyword, and we can write static keyword in front of any variables, in front of methods. Okay. So what are the benefits of writing the static? Listen my point very carefully. Listen my point very carefully. So a static variable, if you write static keyword in front of method, if you write static keyword in front of variable, so that method and that variable will be of static type. Which type? Static type. You can say this is a static variable. You can say this is a static method. So what is the benefit of writing the static keyword? Suppose if a variable is non-static, if a method is non-static, so when I will create the object, then the memory will be allocated for that particular variable and method. But if you if there is a static method, there is a static variable, then the memory is allocated at the time of class loading. Why? Because listen this point very nicely and very seriously. Listen this point. Because static variable and static method are not the part of the object. Listen once again. Static method and static variables are not the part of the object. They are the part of the class. What you have listened? Just tell me immediate. I do not have time. What you have listened?
Static variable and static methods are the part of the class, but they are not the part of the object.
Very nice. So if anything is the part of the object, then they will call by the object variable dot method name dot variable name. You know this thing? Do you know this thing?
Yes.
Yes. So if a variable or if a method is not the part of the object, then they will not call by the object name. They will call by the class name. Listen this point very seriously. They will called by the class name. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So they will not call by the object. They will be called by the class name. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, they will be called by the class name. So let me write a program. and then I think some more concept will be clear. Believe this. No boys is connected right now, only girls are connected. Okay, so suppose students, so one more thing I need to explain over here, and you people will remember this point also. If a, या फिर you can write, a static method can contain only, this is very important point, can contain only static variable, VARIA variable, but a static method can contain only static variable, and a non-static method, static method can contain static as well as non-static static variable. So the students, those are very serious, they can understand what I am saying. A static method can contain only static variable. A non-static method can contain static as well as non-static variable. Let me show you the example. So as you people remember that if I write here int a equal to 10, and I want to print in the main method system.out.println, and I want to print is this like a. So what will be the output? Can anybody tell what will be the output? And I need answer immediate. Girls, answer immediate. What should be the output?
10.
10. Any other?
10 answer.
10. So see the magic over here. See the magic. Magic, right. This is the magic. Non-static variable cannot be referenced from a static context. What I have written over here, you people didn't watch it very clearly, very seriously. A static method can contain only static variable, and this one is a static method. And you are going to print a variable a that are not static. So that's why it will give an error. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So for running this code, we need to write here static static. So this variable right now is static. Just see here static. Let me run this. You can see class compiled, no syntax error. I think you people are clear right now. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Suppose I made one more method, public, and I want to make one method of static type, static static, and this method is not returning anything. So I will write here void, and the method name is add, and I want to print here systen system.out.println, and this I need to print a. Can you see this one? Public static void add system.out.println. Can you see this code? Just watch it very nice, very that means focus it on yellow color. Public static void add system.out.println. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, girls.
Yes.
Okay, girls. You tell me for calling this method what you do. As usual, what you do? What you do usually when you want to call this add method? I explained earlier in the earlier classes, many times I explained. Just those who know, please tell me. Frankly tell me, I will not say anything. I will appreciate if you give the right answer. Tell me immediate. Shreya, Divya, Gulsita, Lakshmi, Mansi, Sneha, Tanya, I'm sorry. Tell the answer. Students, please. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
tell beta, tell. What do you do if you want to call the as method? Don't know? You don't know?
No.
Don't know, sir.
Achha, who can tell? Please. If anybody can tell, then please say S. Gulsita, Lakshmi. Can anybody tell? Have you watched the previous videos? Your answer, your participation in this class is important, students. Girls, you cannot understand what I am saying. Participation is more important because if you participate, then you can understand everything. Have you seen my videos? Have you seen? You people are not responsible. First you turn on your camera. I'm very irritating. You people are creating irritation. First you turn on your camera so that I can see to you what you are doing. Everyone, immediate turn your camera. Shreya, Divya, Gulsita, Lakshmi, Mansi, everyone do it. Immediate I need, immediate. I do not want to waste any time. Gulsita, are you not listening? Mansi, Sanya? You people are, I need to invite you people. Okay. So you haven't seen like this. I need to create the object Pramod Kumar OBJ equal to new Pramod Kumar and this one. I was creating the object many times, and by this object obj.add I was calling this add method. Have you seen this one? Have you seen?
Yes.
So why you didn't give response? Why you didn't give response? Sanya, are you special? Divya, are you special?
No, sir.
So please turn on your camera, requesting, humble request. So that means Pramod Kumar OBJ, new Pramod Kumar, and I was calling that method add by the object. Is this clear? Is this clear to you? Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So what I said in the definition part, I said a non-static method can be static as well as non-static. A static method, okay, I didn't written here, but I inform you in the theory part that a static method will be not the part of the object. It will be the part of the class. So this will be called by the class name. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. And I also explained, listen very nicely. I also explained that the memory is allocated at the time of class loading. But if there is non-static method, then memory is creating after the object creation. Okay, leave this point. Just remember this is only one point. A static method will be called by the class name. So we no need to write, we no need to make the object. So remove this one, all. Remove all. Just call by the class name. What is the class name? What is the class name? Tell me, what is the class name?
Pramod Kumar.
Very nice. Pramod Kumar dot, what is the method name? Add. In this way you can call. I think you haven't seen the method calling by this way right now, till now. Haven't seen? No?
I have seen one time.
Okay, but you people didn't understand why this type of calling way is written. But right now, can you understand? Because this is static method. You people can understand right now. Okay. So let me call you and show you the proof. Class compiled, no syntax error. Okay. The next one, I need to run this one. Just see here. The answer is getting 10. There is no error. So what the conclusion come out? What conclusion come out, students? What is the conclusion? The conclusion is a static method. Listen, I'm just revising once again. A static method will be called by the class name. The first one. Second point. Remember this point. Second point. A static method will contain only static variable. As I have shown to you that if you were trying to keep A in a static method, main is a static method. Can you see this? This main is a static method. This yellow color I have marked. Main is a static method. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we were trying to print A that was non-static. That's why it was giving error, compile time error. Can you understand my point? Can you understand?
No, sir. Again
What?
explain.
Okay. Listen this time. A static method, you can also write in your copy. A static method can only contain a static variable. A static method can only contain a static variable.
Static variable.
Okay, next point. A static method will be called by the class name. Okay. Next, third point. The memory allocation of static variable and static method will be done at the time of class loading. Okay. So suppose student, listen. This is a static method. If I remove it and I am writing a normal method, public void add, and this is a static variable, and if it is a normal method, then I need to write a object PRAMOD Kumar obj equal to new promote Kumar, and this one, then I need to call this one by obj dot add. We must call by this way or not, because this is a normal method. This is not a static method. Can you understand my point? Can you understand?
Yes.
Are you understanding? Please reply. Do not.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If I compile this, you can see here class compiled, no syntax error. Okay, let me run this and show to you. You can watch, students. There is no error and it is giving the output also. So my second point is also clear. A non-static method can contain static variables also. Just watch this. A is here and this is static, but the method is non-static. Okay? I think you people are very smart and you can understand what I am saying. Once again, I am repeating. Once again, a static method can only contain static variable. This is first point, very important point. A static method can only contain, listen, once again,
Variable.
can only contain static method, but a non-static method can contain static variable. Is it clear? Not clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
Again listen. A static method can only contain static variable, but a non-static method can contain static variable. I think right now it's clear. I have explained many times. This point must be written in a copy. Next point. A static method are the static variable. Listen. A static method or the static variable will be the part of class. This will not be the part of object. So this will be called by the class name. Is it clear? Let me show you one more thing, students. Do not worry. I will show everything, and my aim is to clear your concept. That's why I am with you. Suppose this is a static variable. So this variable is called, how this variable will be called? Class name. Let me write here. Pramod Kumar dot A. Have you seen this one? Pramod Kumar dot A. Seen?
Yes.
Because this is a static
Yes.
variable, and Pramod sir explained that a static variable and static method will be called only by the beta class name. Just see here. Class compiled, no syntax error. Just let me run this. It is printing the output also. No error. So students, I think this is the enough of today's class, and I hope that, and you people are very serious. The girls always be very serious, and you will write all my points. Do not laugh. I know I have 15 years of experience. They are very serious with their study. So I hope that you people will write all my points, whatever points I have explained, in your copy. And I hope that you people also watched my all videos, the previous all videos, and I confident that your concept is also clear right now. That means all the concepts which I explained previously. Okay. So should I confident? Beta?
Yes.
One more thing,
Yes, sir.
okay. Is there any differences when I came and joined to you? That means when I started to teach you computer, is there any improvement? Frankly, you tell me.
Yes.
Is there any improvement?
Yes.
Really? Because this will appreciate
Yes.
me, and this will motivate me to for working hard.
When Lakshman sir is teaching, everyone disturbing him.
Okay, everyone was disturbing. Okay. What was the reason, beta?
Simply.
Pardon?
They are disturbing simply.
Simply, there was not any reason.
No.
No. So are you satisfied with my, that means in the way of teaching?
Yes.
Yes.
That I hope you people will be satisfied, because I give always my best, and I always try to teach practically, not the theoretically. I always try to teach practically, not theoretically, so that you can get each and every concept very clearly. So as you've seen, whenever I write the theoretical part, then each and every theory I just do practical, so that your concept clear. Okay. Okay, I hope you will do better in the examination, and I'm doing my duty in a very positive manner, and you will write all over the things, all over the points, whatever the points I am telling every day. And one more thing you will do practicals also. You will do practicals. Okay, students. So I think some other class students are waiting. Thank you, students, for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.